Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to share something important that can transform your forex trading experience. Whether you are new to forex trading or not satisfied with your current trading performance, so this video is for you, and there are some important questions regarding forex trading account management service which I will start answering later. Friends, achieving success in forex trading can be challenging, but with a good account management you can earn significant profits. I have a strong track record of generating consistent profits for my clients, the details of which you can see by joining my Telegram account. I will give the link of the Telegram account in the description. First of all, introduction my forex trading account management service and benefits. I offer a forex trading account management service designed to secure your investment while maximizing returns. With my proven trading strategies and risk management techniques, you can achieve consistent profits. Details of the benefits of my forex trading account management service. Number 1. With years of experience in the forex market, I accurately analyze market trends and movements. Number 2. I create customized trading strategies for each client, tailored to your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. You will receive timely updates on every trade and account activity. Transparency is my top priority. Second thing is risk management. I apply strict risk management techniques in every trade to ensure your capital remains safe and your losses are minimized. Friends, the important questions of forex trading account management that I would like to answer. So the first question, how much profit per day? Actually, the profit is based on the equity of the account. Our account management service has a daily profit of 10 to 15% with 5% risk. For example, your account balance is $500, so we trade safely with 5% risk will make 10 to 15% profit. That would be around $50 to $75. Similarly, a $1,000 account would have a profit of $100 to $150 per day with secure account management. If you want high profit without trading safely on $500 account balance, then with 95% risk, $500 profit on $500 account balance can be made on daily basis, but with high risk and high chances of account wash, in which you will not be able to get continuous profit. My suggestion is that if you want high profit on daily basis, then your account balance must be $1,000 to $2,000, so that you can easily earn good profit of $200 to $300 consistently daily. So guys, the next question is there any chance of account wash? We trade with regular money management with a stop loss limit of 5% per trade and take profit of 10%, so the risk of account wash is very low. So guys, the next question is, what is the minimum balance required of forex trading account management? So guys, is the minimum balance required for account management is $300, but I recommend aiming for $500 account balance is the best for account management. So the next question, is there any refund or guarantee if we account wash? So guys, there is no refund or guarantee on loss if we account wash, but the chances are very low to account wash because we are going safely and we are risking only 5% on every single trade, and our take profit will be 4 times bigger. Then our stop loss and everything is calculated here, so we can easily success trade and will make a good amount of profit on our account, and you don't need to worry about that. So guys, the next question is how to join my forex trading account management service. To join us, simply send me your account details, login and password for MT4 or MT5, and we will start working on your account immediately. So the next question is what is the profit sharing and what withdrawal methods are available? What are the withdrawal methods that you use to send us our profit sharing, let me tell you the withdrawal will be done after every 15% profit made it on your account. So for example, if your account is $1000, so whenever we make $150, then we make a withdrawal request. So maybe even in a one day we make, for example, 2 or 3 times $150, then even in a single day we will request 2 or 3 times for a withdrawal. So this is how our withdrawal system will be work. Whenever we make 15% profit, then we will go for a withdrawal. And the second thing is that what is profit sharing. So guys, for every account management, the profit sharing is 50-50, 50% trader, 50% client. So guys, on if you want to take your forex trading to the next level and earn consistent profits, just go on Telegram, search @GMT_trader, and then you will be able to join GMT account management. I am confident you will appreciate my service. Join today and transform your trading journey. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.